Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
Indeed, we have. As we close out our Friday, things fairly quiet. And for some of us, as we go through the weekend, we'll have some very noisy weather as well. All the details on that coming. For right now, southern Stutsman County seeing some showers where we see the yellow pixels on the radar. South of the Jamestown area is where we most likely have a few raindrops making their way all the way down to the ground. Our skies in Fargo, we can see barely any clouds, a few fair weather cumulus clouds right now, and 80 on the thermometer. That's the high so far today. Look at Moorhead, 82 degrees there. That wind gusty out of the northwest to 26 miles per hour. Now, those northwest winds as forecast did bring some cooler air into the northwestern quadrant of Minnesota. Thief River, you have 71. Badette, though, at 63 degrees. Fergus Falls, lovely weather out at the lakes area, near 80 degrees there, and Valley City at 75 degrees this hour. Okay, here are the basics on this weekend's weather. Most of Saturday looks to be fairly quiet. We'll have some hit and miss showers, but late in the day, after the dinner hour, storms developing in the western Dakotas will move into our area where we see the dark greens and yellows. It's where we will have the best chance at seeing some active weather. Now, for our area, the Red River Valley and the eastern third of North Dakota, we expect that by late at night, hail and damaging wind will be the main threat for us. Then, as we glide into our Sunday, we'll have those storms exiting, and it's expected to have afternoon redevelopment in the eastern third of North Dakota. This is when more in our area will have a risk of severe weather. Anywhere you see yellow or orange, the risk is good for seeing some storms producing hail, damaging wind, and isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Your storm team will be all over this. Make sure you have a plan that if storms develop, you know where you can go to stay safe. Here are the hour-by-hour details taking you through the night tonight. These spotty sprinkles will continue to kind of oscillate around the area, and temperatures overnight will dip into the 40s in northern Minnesota. By morning, take a look at this. We're going to have a chance for some spotty showers. I don't expect severe weather in the morning. This is not when we're going to have the main event. It will be windier out west, and we'll have some passing showers as we go through the morning hour. The best chance will be Devil's Lake, right into central Minnesota for the day. Now, as we go through the afternoon, watch what fires up out to the west in the late part of the day. Boom, line of thunderstorms moving through late night here in the FM area, and eastern South Dakota is going to see a pretty robust cluster of thunderstorms moving through. That's where the risk will be the greatest. But we'll guide you through this. And again, late night into Sunday morning is when we're expecting those storms for your Saturday. Here in Fargo, the first part of the day, pretty quiet. We'll see clouds. We'll have winds as well, 15 to 25 miles per hour, and temperatures only in the 70s. Saturday looks very comfortable temperature-wise, but Sunday gets hot. 65 to 70 up in the Lake of the Woods area. Elsewhere, 70 to 75 degrees for your Saturday. And now, those Saturday storms going into Sunday morning will exit the area as we guide ourselves into Sunday morning. It looks windy, and these south winds are really going to pump up the heat. We're talking temperatures in the 90s, and that will fuel, with a lot of moisture in the area as well, some very robust storms. The timing of these will be a little bit impacted by what happens on Saturday night. So suffice it to say, late Sunday and into Monday morning, a repeat performance starting in eastern North Dakota, carrying into Lakes Country. And again, all modes of severe weather will be a possibility. Christy capturing the gorgeous colors of spring and some drops of water as well. Thanks, Christy, for uploading your photo. Saturday and Sunday, first alert weather days. Look at that 92-degree heat on Sunday. That lasts into Monday with spotty showers. And after that, Andrea, much, much cooler weather and much, much quieter weather as well. More details on this, and we'll keep you updated, Andrea, throughout the week and weekend as to our volatile weather.
Yes, you always do. Thanks, Satch.